In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post questions on the Zotero forum. If you've ever found yourself stuck while using Zotero, engaging with the community forum can be a great way to find answers. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can easily post your questions and connect with experts and users from around the world. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Zotero forums by typing in the URL forums.zotero.org. As you land on the page, take a moment to look around. You'll notice various categories where you can browse through existing discussions. This can give you a good sense of the ongoing conversations and the kind of questions that have already been asked. Now, if you're ready to initiate your own discussion, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the option labeled New Discussion. Go ahead and click on that button. This action will bring you to the text input interface where all the magic happens. You'll be able to title your post and provide details about the question or issue you're experiencing. When it comes to entering your information, keep a few best practices in mind. First, enter a clear and concise title for your post. A well-crafted title catches the attention of the right people who can offer assistance. After picking a title, move down to the main body where you should provide a detailed description of your question or the challenge you're facing. Remember to include relevant details, such as steps you've already tried to fix an issue or context that might help others understand your situation. The more specific you are, the better. Once you're satisfied with the content of your post, it's time to share it with the community. Look for the button labeled Post Discussion. However, exercise a little patience because in certain cases, your post may require approval before it's visible to others. This means there might be a brief waiting period before your question is live on the forum. And just like that, you're all set. By following these simple steps, you've not only posted a question on the Zotero forum, but also taken an important step in engaging with a community that can offer guidance and insights. Feel free to return to your post and keep an eye on responses from other users. Engaging in follow-up questions or clarifications will foster a more productive dialogue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you effectively use the Zotero forum. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy researching!